My daughter.
Mama.
I wish I could see. I wish I could see, but I can feel it. I can feel it. I'm happy.
Mama, why are you crying? But I won. This is my victory. Why the tears?
I know, my daughter. I know. I wish your brother and sister could see things the way you see them before it is too late. I'm excited about your victory. And I'm proud of you.
Mama, do you think that Sister Ogechi is wrong?
So, stubbornness runs in our blood. Even your father was very stubborn. But he told them to use it wisely. I was able to live with your father for so long because I'm a calm person.
Mama, stop crying.
Don't worry, I am proud of you. I might be blind. I might not see the joy you brought home to me. But I can feel it. And I'm so proud of you, my daughter.
Yes. That's my beautiful and faithful wife. How's everything over there? Yes, I will continue to remain your faithful husband over here. Yes. Give the phone to my daughter, Kendra. Yes, my sweetie pie. How's that side? Yes, I know you always and always be missing your daddy. Well, your daddy is still here to, keep some properties for you guys. Yes, I'm doing all these against the rainy days. Yeah, Nigeria is well and good. Yes, right now I'm trying to, get ready for a meeting. Yeah, your father is always very careful. Good. You've gotten it. Okay, all right. Just to say hi. Thank you very much. I'll get back to you when I'm back. I love you too. Oh, do.
If not, who knows what those girls might have done to you?
Don't mind those girls. You do want Chioma. Surely that one, Chioma, that fair one. Let her come later. I will beat her out of her. Nonsense. Let her keep quiet for her. Not because of textbook. Ordinary textbook. Ordinary textbook. I don't know what their problem is with this school. Very wicked set of people. It's okay. Let's go before our
Okay, she cannot bring this family down. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's something wrong with you, Ogechi. Ogechi.
But then they do. Leave me alone.
Ogechi.
What is it?
Ogechi, something wrong with your head.
Yes.
Something wrong with your head, Ogechi. Something wrong with your head, Ogechi. Are you to be? Are you to be? Ogechi.
Brother, if anything should happen to her.
Because of money. Because of money. I can't even take care of my siblings.
Money is a problem to me.
I can hear the crickets cry in broad daylight. My son is setting at dawn. If only the cripple knew about the war. Are you okay? Eh?
Yes, but I don't want to miss the test.
Chisom, I have a plan. I think you should go to the back door, hide at the back and take the test because no one is in the class now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
God, what type of suffering is this? Papa did really bring many pain to us. Now I sell Papa only land lady to take care of all his debt. How can I take care of Mama? Mama is blind. How can I take care of Mama? Chisom and Dogechi. God will help me. God will help me.
Madam, come back here. Chiso, I thought we both were asked out of school.
Dikeh, good afternoon.
Answer me.
I had a test I couldn't miss.
So?
At least I didn't miss the test. Aren't you happy for me?
No! I'm not happy with you. Chiso, that was against the school instruction and you know it. Don't you? Come back here! Chisom! Hey! So this little girl, Chisom, walked out on me. Chisom! Chisom!
Ever since Papa died, things has been difficult for us.
Jason. You know, this, I'm telling you, this thing is not easy. Okay, you know what happened? Selling Papa land, settling all the debt he incurred. You know what happened to my sister? And I working hard every day. Working hard every day, taking care of you, Mama and Ogechi. I want you to understand the place. I'm telling you, Biko. Come and give the tailor your clothes sewing for you. Let me rush to the shop. Look at the weather. You see the weather. Do it very, very fast. Because do it very, very fast. Very fast.
Naira. Ogechi!
But what is it?
Ogechi, you are a thief.
I'm a thief.
You are a thief, Ogechi.
Hey!
Ogechi, you steal money from where? Where you steal this money from, Ogechi?
Let me ask you. So because I'm a thief, anyone in this house that steal that me?
Ogechi, who else will steal money if not you? I know some my sister is not a thief. You are a thief, Ogechi. Where did you steal this money from?
I don't like this one. I don't like this. What's all this now? Don't tell me a woman. I'm calling me a secret woman.
Brother Nedu! What is it now? Why are you screaming?
Give me this money before I
Brother Nedu! Leave her alone, leave her alone!
I will break. What is going on now?
Leave her alone! Why are you screaming?
Both of you.
So come inside.
Both of you. Okay, you are not a thief. Thief, Oyoshi, thief.
Still is not an option. It is not an option.
With all due respect, I am tired of your empty and fruitless promises. I can't sit there here and watch you stop schooling too. I can't when I know what I'm capable of. I had to steal. I have no option.
Mbano. You cannot stop schooling and you cannot steal. You cannot. I promise you, I will take care of you. Taking care of Jason.
It's obey hands. Brother Nedu, wake up. Education is not meant for the both of us. My SSC is around the corner. I don't even have nothing, tolo, shishi, to pay my accumulated debt in school. How am I going to write my final exam? How?
But I'm telling you. I am telling you. I am working very, very hard.
Brother Nedu, nobody is disputing the facts. You are trying. No. But, brother, if nothing is done about our finance in this house, Chisom will also be a dropout.
God forbid. Mbang. God forbid. God forbid. Okay, do you think it's very easy to make money out there? You are a girl. Not easy to make money. But I promise you, I will taking care of you, taking care of Chisom. Don't steal. Don't steal.
But I've made up my mind to do any kind of work, anything at all to make I'll not see you again, I promise you that. I stole again today. This time from Obioma. Still for my education. And I never get caught. I also lied to my brother. And this has caused another argument between me and my brother because he cares so much about me. God. I only did that because I had no option. Instead of the usual mockery from my classmates. God. I really wish someone could hear me and understand my plight. Someone who will not judge me, but help me get out of this. I promise never to steal again.
It hurts immensely when you try to please your loved ones and end up hurting them. Ogechi, it's so painful when someone you expect to understand you misunderstands you. It pains so much. In your quest for knowledge and peace, you have torn your siblings apart. You have torn them apart. And today I am telling you to calm down. Ogechi, calm down. Ogechi. Ogechi.
We have been sent out from school.
Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. So what are you going to do now?
Okay, Chisom, what are you people doing in my shop? You're supposed to be in school.
Yes. This was awesome.
Yeah, I cannot read my sister.
You cannot read. Let me read it for you. Dear parents, this is to inform you that your children haven't paid their school fees and they are to stay at home until the payment is made. We apologize for every inconvenience this may cause you, but we are working with school rules and regulations. Thanks for your cooperation.
Brother, what are you going to do now? Me, I don't want to miss class. So.
But I said something now.
I'll try and do something.
Hey!
We'll try and do something. We'll try and do something.
Chukuma kwanke kamao ya de balo lisao olisema kwanke kamao asim ya de bara chuko chukuma kwanke kamao.
Susan, where is Ogechi? Where is Ogechi? Ogechi, why leaving Chisom here? Why leaving Chisom like this? When you know you're supposed to take care of Chisom and Mama. You know Mama is very, very blind. Why leaving Chisom like this, Ogechi?
Brother, sometimes I wonder how you reason. She have asked me where I'm coming from. I went to know if one of our mother's friends would help me with food.
Help you with food? Ogechi, you begging food? How many times I tell you, Ogechi, stop begging food? You go begging food, Ogechi.
Brother, I don't understand how you think. Let's go and cook, I beg.
Ogechi, I am your elder brother. You talking to me with respect. You talking to me with respect, Ogechi. You don't talk to me like that.
Then change what you think. Let's go and cook. It's even late, Seth. You want to shout. You don't bring anything back. What did you bring back from work? Nothing.
Ogechi, I'm telling him. I'm telling him very, very well to taking care of you and Mama. You living to some here, go begging food. Go begging food. When I tell you many, many times, stop begging food. Okay.
Brother, your food are obviously untouched. What is wrong? Talk to me. What is it? Is it about what happened today at the shop? You are lost. Talk to me. Talk to me now, brother. What is it?
My friend, stop yelling. People sleeping already. You waking people sleeping.
Would I have yelled if you spoke to me? Why acting as if we don't care about you? Why acting as if we hate you in this house? Would I talk to me? If it's about the school fees, fine, forget about it. If you didn't come back with more, nobody will kill you. Nobody will beat you or scold you, brother. I don't like your mood.
Okay, what about my conscience? What about my conscience? It's better you're beating me. My conscience is beating me already. Beating me.
Brother, see, I understand what you're saying. But I can help you. Let me step in. Chisom can be going to school. Then the two of us can stop school to assist her. Brother, let me tell you, I can help you. Yes, I'm a woman, but it doesn't matter who brings food to the house.
Ogechi, stop going there. I know where you're going. Don't go there. Don't go there. I am the man of the house, taking care of you and taking care of Chisom. You stop. You stop. I already promised Mama. I taking care of you and Chisom.
oyoyo chimo. Chimle chimle oyoyo chim. Ine mere mudimu manaru. Odimu manaru odimu manaru oyoyo chim. Ine mere mudimu.
Sister.
Oh, ne.
The meat is done, and I've already finished pounding the wrapper.
Please prepare the pot. I'm coming to cook soup.
Okay.
Be fast about that. Please be fast, oh. Hey. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. At least today I made.
Okay. No. Yes. Won't you take your bath?
Mama. You're fine.
I'm fine. Okay. You chose my looks, but you bear the heart of a warrior. The zeal in you can kill a multitude.
Mama, have you eaten?
Some gave me the remaining of what we reserved in the morning.
I made some money for you. Let me go and prepare English dinner for you.
Thank you.
I'm coming. Now.
Let me help you and count now.
Don't help me. This is one. Don't help me, eh? Let me count it myself. So when you start picking money like this now?
I want to help you now.
Don't help me. How are you helping me to count money? This is what you help me and do. When I'll be packing dirty everywhere, carrying dirty, as in like carrying shit with my hand, you not help me, yo. Don't help me and count money. You don't know anything about money. Face your studies. Meanwhile, carry this rice, eh? You know it's local rice. Hey man, the rice inside might not be up to 3 cups. That's and sand. So you sieve it very well. Make sure there's no sand inside. Ntata no, that will do too. So sieve the rice, boil what I'm coming to do the food.
Do something now.
So this thing is bad habit. Yes, but I don't even know why should ask me for money. Take this 10 naira. You don't know what money. This is buy biscuit with me.
10 naira back.
See this yellow. I blame you. I don't blame you. If you see this stuff for one, the stuff get this money, you go pity me. I'm gonna carry dirty, they pack shit with my hand. When they give you 10 naira, no value. I don't blame you. You know the value. Because I don't do.
Mama, did you know yesterday I come back? I bought many things, Mama. Many things I bought to make you happy, to make Ogechi happy, to make you some happy, Mama. But Ogechi is probably everything. Mama, you know how dangerous this village boys can be. I don't want them to use my sister to do soapy. Everywhere you go in this village, they are doing soapy. Hey, Mama?
Soapy what?
Soapy?
Well, Chinedu, is that the only reason you're against your sister's assistance?
No, Mama. Mama, look at me. Look at me. Me, stop schooling. Okay, she stop schooling. Chisom, I don't know, can stop schooling. Mama, look at us. These people, they may think we very, very hopeless in this family.
Let me ask you a question. Are we not actually hopeless? See, people are entitled to their opinion. Let them say whatever they want to say. Your own is to take or reject whatever they have said. Do not let whatever they have said make you less the person you want to be.
Mama, are you trying to tell me I should allow Oge to picking dustbin in the market, picking dustbin in the street?
Chinedu, God answers prayers in mysterious ways. His ways are not ours. Anything can happen anytime. If not for this my condition, I would have been helping. What your sister needs from you now is your prayers, your encouragement and support. Prayers.
My player.
Your prayer.
So I am no longer important in this family. I'm not important in this family. Mama? Mama? Okay, we will know who is the landlord in this house. Whether it's Ogechi, landlord, or me, landlord in this house. Mama? Okay. My player.
No problem. Leave me alone, Ikechukwu. Leave me alone. Let me teach that useless ego to a lesson.
Why are you stalking your sister? And what lesson are you going to teach our customer?
What useless customer? What useless customer? I will kill anybody near my sister. I kill the person. Ikechukwu, this is how it is started. From the customer to the house. From the house to the bed. From the bed, he is calling my sister. I will kill any he goes near my sister.
Is that what you wish of Ogechi? Huh?
Ikechukwu, you know how these village boys can behave. Look at him, behaving like Michael Jackson. I don't want my sister to be a victim. I don't want at all.
If that is your only fear, then you have nothing to worry about. Because I am in the same market every day. If it means to watch Ogechi for you, I will do that. Yes.
I don't trust you.
Are you mad? Are you out of your head? How can you say such a thing to me? I think you're insane.
Ikechukwu, are you leaving me? You're leaving me.
Meant good for you. But I'm sorry if it makes you feel bad.
Thank God. Thank God you know you're very, very foolish, Ogechi. You're planning bringing many boys to this house. It's working. It's working and you're happy. Ogechi, you can never deceive me. But go and tell them. Go and tell them I am very, very prepared and ready. I am very prepared and ready, Ogechi.
Why do you like misunderstanding me? Why do you like misunderstanding me? I don't even know what is eating you up.
Ogechi, I will never be alive seeing you bringing this family name to the mud. Ogechi, you cannot bring this family name to the mud. Foolish girl, bring my food outside. Bring my food to my room. Bring my food to my room now.
They do, my brother. That is the story of my life. After everything, the white policeman arrested me, prosecuted me, and sentenced me to 30 years imprisonment in America. You see, my dream of going to America became a nightmare. If I knew what I know now, I wouldn't have even ventured in the first place to go to America. But life goes on, and here I am.
Child, this story is very, very sad. It is a very, very sad story. Child, but they're talking, say, if life day, hope day. You go the hustle small. One day, you go better. Child, the Dikeh, no wonder every time you laugh, you sing, you dance, you laugh, you sing, you dance. That's your life. It sweets me. It sweets me.
Don't be lying, my brother. If no be say, I go spend time for jail. I for don't become confirmed musician, confirmed rapper, dancer. You know, say every part of entertainment, me a day. For hope still there.
Hope day.
Nothing spoil. Because you see, this life is a journey, and mine is not funny. And you know, making money is never easy. But all hope is not lost. You get customer waiting from both of them.
You go remember me. Remember me in your Jerusalem. You remember me.
Chukwu ife niile. Chukwu ma nke ka mma. Chineke makwa nke ka mma. Ya dịbara Chukwu o. Ya dịbara Olisa o.
Bernard, I'm greeting you. This one you are told by this.
What is it? Come on, Mr. Sebap. Don't bother me.
Brother.
Nedu. Chinedu.
Huh?
Has stopped going to school because of my welfare. She has also started raising some money for our accumulated debts in school. I am so proud of her, and I will do my best to make her, Branedu, and Mama proud as well. I have something that I wish to suggest to my brother and sister, but I don't know how they will feel about it. I am scared of Branedu because he always gets someone wrong and ready to fight anyone. And Sister Ogechi believes I have nothing to contribute except Mama, who listens even if you are not making any point. I'm confused.
Everybody know that life is a journey.
Yes. Yes.
But I don't want your own to be a funny.
Yes.
Because we are chasing money.
Yes.
So no matter your situation or condition, you must always look up to God and believe that tomorrow will be better than today. It's not easy to be a man. So I want to sing for you so that you will understand where I'm coming from. And I want you to sing along, okay? All right. You ready? Are you ready? Prayers up. Father in heaven, now your boy they talk. Whoa. I need whoa. Make we rhyme again, right? Huh? Prayers up. Father in heaven, now your boy they talk. Been a long time when I done the work. Many men blow, they talk saying a lot, but no be luck. We need grace to win the race. Belong in the game, you go fear face. Move from grace to grace, come into faith. Ain't nobody closer when I say pace. I get their mouth every morning just like toothpaste. And as they brush them, I give them toothache. Mr. Pedigree, be my jamboree. I'm the real deal, nigga, I don't wanna be. Baba God, I dey hail, As my sheep down ready, make it sail, and as my enemy, they plan, make it fail, Go to work, go to jail, make it fail, Mini baller, now God be my father. Give me all I need, I know the border. Mr. Ike Chukwu. Mr. Ike Chukwu. Okay, guys, I'm coming back. And I go. Don't worry. Nedu, your brother, will soon turn his life around. Nothing too bad in this life lasts forever. Okay? How did business go today? I love your courage and perseverance. There was a day your schoolmates were watching you just to make mockery of you. But you focused on your job. You were never bothered. I'm very proud of you.
What about you? I'm proud of you. You are a real man. You are a real man. I like the way you took up your responsibility as a man. If it's some other men, they will deny her. And very soon, I'll start calling you Papa Boy.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Go on, again. Time not one. I tell you, I want travel. Do fast.
My gen. Okay, my gen dey for mechanic. This stupid mechanic people. You know, I give this stupid boy my gen last week. So now, no gen. So now, every time I go at the shop, he doesn't want to give me gen.
Then what do you want me to do? Like, you be person where they go far when no carry machete. You dey hope for NEPA, make NEPA, all this our NEPA, Nigerian NEPA, now make them just wait. Make up me and you wait here, and I make I leave here, they go, they wait for NEPA. I beg, come on this thing, make I come on here, I beg. Come on, I beg. Okay, you don't do, no be only you, they bab, you don't do. Come on, make our work, I beg.
Light go enter now.
No problem, I don't hear, no problem. Next time you go see me for the shop. Don't worry. Wait for it, light go enter now.
This one customer I have today. What kind of problem is this one? What kind of problem is this one? Hi! This stupid NEPA.
Open up! Hey, customer, come, open up.
Chika, good afternoon. Fine. You see Ikechuku?
Ikechuku. Which kind of thing? Go inside market where you go see the dance, the rap, all this. Why they ask me?
You don't give any money?
Which kind of question be that one? Yeah. Ikechuku give me money. No insult me. Come on, get up. They go. Let me see Ikechuku look at time money go now. He consign me. No, they useless. Why you go give him money? You don't know the kind of person he be. Mugu. I dey rest, no come disturb me again, no. See, person go suffer finish, carry your wahala, poverty.
Mama, guess what? Mama, guess what?
What's the excitement all about?
Mama, I scored the overall best in my class quiz. I can't wait for Nedu and Togechi to come back. See.
My daughter.
Mama.
I wish I could see. I wish I could see, but I can feel it. I can feel it. I'm happy.
Mama, why are you crying? But I won. This is my victory. Why the tears?
I know, my daughter. I know. I wish your brother and sister could see things the way you see them before it is too late. I'm excited about your victory. And I'm proud of you.
Mama, do you think that Sister Ogechi is wrong?
So, stubbornness runs in our blood. Even your father was very stubborn. But he told them to use it wisely. I was able to live with your father for so long because I'm a calm person.
Mama, stop crying.
Don't worry, I am proud of you. I might be blind. I might not see the joy you brought home to me. But I can feel it. And I'm so proud of you, my daughter.
Okay, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Take a look. Okay, I slap you. I slap you.
Slap me. Slap. Take a look. Give me today. Give me today. Give me today.
Are you
Chukuma kwanke kama
Chisom, what is it? What are you still doing awake by this time of the night? What is it?
I don't feel like sleeping.
Why?
Manuku said that no one makes it alone.
Yes, she have said that countless times. So, what is it?
Can I suggest something to you?
Suggest something to me. Okay, I'm all ears.
It's true that people may think that You and Nedu are failures. But you can also prove them wrong by considering adult night classes. As from there, you can also get your SSCE as well as Uncle Nedu.
The thing is, Nedu and I want to see you through school first. We want to do collective efforts. It's not going to be easy, considering Mama's situation. Going to school is good, I know, but you should see. Don't feel bad. We're not bothered, okay? I'm even happy you're going to school first. Don't worry, I'll go to school later. That time. Cheer up now. I'll go to school later now, yeah?
I tell her, working today. Working very, very hard. Very, very hard, making money. But the problem is, the union claimed my job. They ask him to pay due. I begging them. Give me time, can pay. They refuse. So finally I paid because they say if I don't pay, they lock my shop. So I paid. I don't have much money. I have 1,000 naira. I have 1,000 naira. I even try to borrow money from people. They refuse to borrow me. Nobody wants to borrow me money. So 1,000 naira. 1,000. I try.
So what am I going to do about the book now? My teacher said she will send me away from the classroom during lesson if I did not buy the book.
Pa! Which teacher? Your teacher don't you know all fingers not equal. All fingers not equal. For the textbook, we will tell I and pay. Tell your teacher next week, I tell I and pay. I tell I and pay.
Next week is too far.
Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Can you help me dispose this?
Bros, for how much?
It's just this.
Just this now. Make I tell you. All the garbage collectors for this market. Get how much do they collect for even the smallest can? They hear me? Bring your money, I'll throw it for you.
It's obvious you're having a bad day. Excuse me.
They're crazy.
But yeah, see. Time is getting too much. Come on. If they allow to let they come again, I can look for some other place to do this.
And the thing you go come. Maybe they allow you to take money. I know you chop with this. You go come. Just go.
Wait.
I know him well now. Now here they stay at the wall.
Alright, now let's give him another 10 minutes.
Yeah, no problem, okay.
If he doesn't show up, I will just leave.
Yeah, no problem.
Let's go home, Ogechi.
Stop. What's going on here now? Eh? What's going on?
Look at this is he goat. This is he goat. This is my family problem. Stay away from my family problem. He goat.
Okay, even if
let's go home.
Stop this. Even if it's a family problem, she's a woman. She's a woman for crying out.
Ogechi, this he goat talking to me.
Yes.
This he goat talking to me. Let's go home, Ogechi.
Let me ask you. How do you have money? Where are you packing dirty in the market? I left school for this business. You think I'm happy? But I'm not happy. Don't ask me I want to sew. I'll cry for you. Leave me alone, no. Leave me alone.
Let's go home, Ogechi.
I'm not going anywhere. Shame on to you.
Yeah.
Go, bro. Leave me alone.
You insulted me.
Leave me alone. You think I'm happy? You think I'm happy? Do this one. You think I'm happy?
Ogechi, let's go home.
Mr. Man,
Let's go home. We good. I don't want to. Ogechi, I meet you at home.
Go away.
Nedu, what is the problem now? Ross, I beg at the phone. 1 minute.
That hilly goat. If I don't deal with that hilly goat, then call me a foolish man.
Nedu, you need to calm down. Calm down. Eh? But I still can't believe that Ogechi, your sister, will hire a man to come and fight you. Her elder brother. I've always had the mindset that Ogechi is a respectful young lady.
Are you saying I'm lying? I'm lying. I'm lying against my own sister.
That is not what I am saying. All I'm saying is for you to preserve that energy for your barbing business. Instead of screaming how you're going to fight your fellow man. Use your head.
That hilly goat. That hilly goat. I will kill him. I will kill that hilly goat.
My hand no there. My hand no there. My hand no there.
Lies in the hands of God, and Him alone can change their stories. When will this storm be over? God, when will this storm clear? Is it when we are gone? Your dreams are usually unusual. Very unusual and hard to explain. Very peculiar. Huh? But let me ask, do you know the man in real life?
Mama.
Huh?
Not really, but I've only met this man once.
Do you believe in dreams?
I don't know.
One thing I know is that every dream is kind of revelation. It might be direct or indirect. It must reveal something. With time, we will know.
I'm deeply sorry for what happened the other day at the dorm. You know, I was not in a good day. I was having a bad day. But I wouldn't have transferred my anger on you.
Oh, it's okay. So I'm not complaining at least. By the way, who is the guy that day that was trying to fight you? Who is he?
He's my elder brother.
Oh, your brother? Then why would you take such resolution at this age? I mean, you are very young to go through such stress and suffering.
It's my only option. I have no choice.
Serious? And that has kept you in constant problems with your brother and yourself?
But I'm not complaining. Chisom is my responsibility. If I don't take care of her, who will? My mother is blind.
Who is Chisom?
My younger sister. My mother is blind.
I'm sorry about that. I mean, life is not that easy, you know. I really admire your courage and your strength, you know. I mean, you're a very hardworking woman, but your life is practically in danger as far as that trash whatever and your brother is concerned. See, Oge, is it possible for you to stop this job you're doing? I can get you one. I want to help. I mean, I can pick up from where you're doing stuff. Very serious. Just let me
Chukuma kwanke kama ya di balo lisa olisema kwanke kama asim ya di bara chukuma kwanke kama achidime muta asim achidi menuo onye mani hoga muta ya de barachuko ya de barolisa ya de barachuko Chukuma kwanke kama ahe 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 Chukwu ife niile Chukwuma nke ka mma Chineke makwa nke ka mma ya dịbara Chukwu ya
Don't be surprised to see me. I am here because of Chinedu.
What about him?
Please forgive him for the sake of your family.
It's very simple to say because you're not the one in my shoes. Yes. Please, leave here. Please leave here before I do something stupid, please.
Kindly think about what I said to you. No matter how you feel. Please.
very tired. Even to open this shop, I am very, very tired.
What is there not to understand? You need to calm down. Eh? I've told you, especially when it comes to family. So take it easy.
Okay, it's getting me long. Everybody is getting me long. I have been trying to hustle and make money for my family. But nobody understands me, Ikechukwu.
Do you realize you are the oldest among your siblings? And much is expected of you. So much is expected of you. Eh? I told you, start fixing the most important things in your life. Like fixing your shop. Forget about Ogechi.
Everybody telling me to calm down. Put myself together. Everybody telling me calm down, put myself together. Will I kill myself, Ikechukwu? You are my friend, you know I hustle. I make money. I hustle every day in this